Hi everyone, my name is Cheristy Jones and I'm a first year PhD student in the Natural Resources and Earth System Science program here at UNH. I'm originally from Draper, Utah, and I'm really excited to take you through my day. I came to UNH because I really value taking an interdisciplinary approach to research. So I believe that science should be grounded in the needs of communities and that stakeholders should be involved in what questions should be asked and answered. And UNH and the Natural Resources and Environmental Earth Systems program, or NRAS as we call it, really values this approach. And so I'm able to take ethics and policy classes alongside my science classes, and I get to work with a broad range of people. Before coming to UNH, I got my bachelor's degree in environmental science at Colorado College, and then I worked as a laboratory technician in a soil biology lab at Michigan State University for a year. Here at UNH, I'm working in the trace gas lab with Dr. Ruth Varner. I'm a biogeochemist, so I study the flow of chemicals through an ecosystem and really what drives that flow. So I will be specifically looking at carbon cycling in an Arctic peatland and wetland. This is the Trace Gas Lab here at UNH. We have our QCL, which measures different isotopes, lab computer. These little vials are theoretically full of methane, and I'm going to be measuring these today on our GC, which will tell me how much methane is in them. And then we have our little back room. I love my cohort. NRAS does this cool thing where all of the PhD students during their first semester take this class called Interdisciplinary Research, and we just get to know each other and talk a little bit about grad school and grad school life. And on Fridays, we also do coffee and donuts with everyone in the department. Professors come, administrative staff, a whole bunch of students, and it's a great way to build community. Thanks so much for following along. I'm going to leave you with a Arctic fun fact. Arctic means bears and Antarctic means no bears. If you have any more questions for me, or if you want to keep following my science journey, you can find me on Twitter at Cheristy Jones.